Hello everyone, new day and new alternate build. Here's a Batman helicopter. I built it from the Lego set, Lego Movie 2 set 836. Here's Batman and MetalBeard, and I built from this too small creation one, and it's a Batman helicopter, apocalyptic, steampunk, maybe helicopter. Helicopter blades can rotate, tail propeller can rotate too. This is the place for the pilot. It's a Batman. Really cool figure, I like it very much. Holder for the batarang. Couple of wings with weapon. It's like a rocket launcher on the wings. I like this color scheme: black, dark bluish gray, brown, gold. It looks like really steampunk. Connection of blade is really cool. It can rotate, it's strong and didn't broken in hand. You may play with this model. It's a quite nice decision with this. You may turn it around and I don't know for what, but this was what I've made to hold this ladder. Maybe that's all. Building instruction will be in next video, so if you like it you may see how to build this small creation. And don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell not to miss my other creations. Thanks for watching and goodbye.